Hey there, welcome back to Glow Up and Grow Up. We're all about leveling up in every aspect of life, and today we're diving deep into the world of productivity. Let's be real, staying organized and getting things done can be a challenge. But what if I told you that artificial intelligence could be the secret weapon you need to unlock your productivity potential? In this video, we're exploring some of the most impressive AI tools out there that can help you manage your time, crush your goals, and just make life a little bit easier. So if you're ready to glow up your productivity game, stick around. First up, let's talk about Todoist. Now, I know what you're thinking, another to-do list app, but trust me, this one's different. Todoist is like the supercharged AI-powered version of your typical to-do list. It's not just about jotting down tasks. It's about understanding how you work and helping you optimize your entire workflow. One of the things that makes Todoist stand out is its smart scheduling feature. Let's say you add a task, like write a blog post, but you don't specify a due date. Todoist jumps into action, analyzing your past behavior and suggesting the optimal time for you to tackle that task. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your schedule better than you do. But wait, there's more. Todoist also excels at task prioritization. It uses machine learning to figure out which tasks are most important based on deadlines, projects, and even your own personal productivity patterns. That means no more feeling overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list. Todoist helps you focus on what truly matters, one task at a time. And let's not forget about those pesky reminders. We've all been there. You add a task to your list only to completely forget about it until it's too late. Todoist eliminates that problem with its intelligent reminders. It learns when you're most likely to engage with your tasks and sends you timely reminders, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're juggling multiple projects, trying to stay on top of daily tasks, or just looking for a better way to organize your thoughts, Todoist has you covered. It's the AI-powered to-do list that adapts to your unique workflow, making productivity not just a goal, but a way of life. All right, let's talk about time blocking. It's one of the most effective productivity techniques out there. But let's be real. Planning out every minute of your day can be a daunting task. That's where Motion comes in. This AI-powered scheduling tool takes all the hassle out of time blocking, making it effortless to optimize your day for maximum productivity. Motion seamlessly integrates with your calendar, to-do list, and even project management tools, getting a complete picture of your commitments and deadlines. Then, the magic happens. Motion's AI engine analyzes your schedule and automatically creates a personalized, time-blocked plan, ensuring that every task, meeting, and even break is strategically placed for optimal focus and efficiency. But here's what I really love about Motion. It understands that life doesn't always go according to plan. Unexpected meetings, urgent requests, those last-minute fire drills, they happen. But instead of throwing your entire schedule off track, Motion dynamically adjusts your day as needed. It automatically reschedules tasks, optimizes your remaining time, and keeps you on track to achieve your goals, even when life throws curveballs your way. And if you're someone who struggles with distractions, let's be real, we all do, Motion has you covered. It goes beyond just scheduling your day. It helps you stay focused during those dedicated work blocks. Motion minimizes distractions by silencing notifications, blocking distracting websites, and creating a dedicated workspace where you can truly get in the zone. Motion is more than just a scheduling tool. It's your AI-powered productivity partner, ensuring that you make the most of every single day. We've talked about daily tasks and time management, but what about those big, audacious goals? The ones that seem so far off in the future? That's where Strides comes in, an AI-powered goal-tracking app designed to help you achieve anything you set your mind to. Strides is all about setting smart goals, the ones that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It guides you through the process of breaking down those big, hairy goals into smaller, more manageable milestones, making the journey feel less daunting and more achievable. But here's where Strides truly shines. It's progress forecasting and AI-powered insights. As you track your progress in Strides, the AI engine is constantly analyzing your data, looking for patterns and trends. It uses this information to predict whether you're on track to reach your goal, and if not, it provides actionable suggestions to help you course correct. One of the things I appreciate most about Strides is its focus on building sustainable habits. It understands that achieving big goals isn't about making drastic overnight changes, it's about those small, consistent actions you take day after day. Strides helps you establish and maintain those positive habits, setting you up for long-term success. Strides isn't just about checking things off a list, it's about understanding your own behavior, identifying areas for improvement, and making meaningful progress towards the things that matter most. It's your AI-powered coach, cheerleader, and accountability partner, all rolled into one. Grammarly. Write with clarity, confidence, and AI-powered precision. Clear and effective writing is key for emails, reports, and social media posts. Grammarly is the AI-powered assistant that elevates your communication. It eliminates writing anxieties, ensuring polished, professional, and error-free content. Grammarly goes beyond basic corrections, enhancing clarity and impact. It adapts to your writing needs, from formal emails to creative pieces. Integrating seamlessly with your favorite apps, Grammarly is essential for clear, confident communication. Chapter 5. Rescue Time. Uncover your productivity patterns with AI-powered insights. Let's be honest, we've all had those days where we feel like we've been busy all day, but we can't quite put our finger on what we actually accomplished. If you're ready to take back control of your time and gain a deeper understanding of your productivity habits, Rescue Time is the tool you need. Rescue Time is an AI-powered time-tracking tool that works silently in the background, monitoring how you spend time on your devices. It captures everything: websites you visit, apps you use, even the documents you're working on, providing a detailed and often eye-opening picture of your digital day. But Rescue Time goes beyond just tracking your time. It uses that data to provide personalized productivity insights and recommendations. It identifies patterns in your behavior, highlighting both your most productive periods and those times when you're most susceptible to distractions. Armed with this knowledge, you can start making smarter decisions about how you structure your day. Imagine identifying your peak focus hours and then scheduling your most challenging tasks during those times, or recognizing those times when you're most likely to get sidetracked and implementing strategies to minimize distractions. And here's where the AI really shines. Rescue Time doesn't just tell you what you're doing, it helps you understand why you're doing it. It categorizes your activities, providing insights into how you're spending your time across different categories like work, communication, entertainment, and more. Rescue Time is an invaluable tool for anyone who's serious about improving their productivity. It's like having a personal productivity coach, providing the insights and guidance you need to make the most of your time and achieve your goals. Chapter 6. Notion, your all-in-one workspace, supercharged with AI. If you're looking for a single platform to organize your entire life, from work projects and notes to personal goals and even recipes, Notion is the answer. But Notion is more than just a digital notebook. It's a powerful productivity tool that's supercharged with AI to help you streamline your workflow and achieve your goals. Notion provides a blank canvas where you can create custom databases, to-do lists, calendars, and even wikis. It's incredibly flexible, allowing you to organize information in a way that makes sense for you, whether you prefer visual boards, structured lists, or a combination of both. But here's where the AI comes in. Notion uses machine learning to understand your work habits and preferences, making suggestions that help you work smarter, not harder. For example, it can suggest relevant content from your notes while you're working on a project, automate repetitive tasks, and even help you prioritize your to-do list based on deadlines and importance. Notion's AI-powered features are constantly evolving, with new capabilities being added all the time. One of the most exciting recent additions is the ability to summarize lengthy documents in meeting notes, saving you valuable time and ensuring that you capture the most important takeaways. Notion also excels at collaboration, making it the perfect tool for teams and individuals alike. You can share notes, projects, and even entire workspaces with others, allowing for seamless collaboration and enhanced productivity. Notion is the all-in-one workspace that adapts to your unique needs, helping you stay organized, focused, and productive across all aspects of your life. And there you have it, 6 AI-powered tools that will help you crush your goals and level up your productivity. Whether you're looking to manage your time better, set and track your goals, or just stay focused throughout the day, these tools are designed to help you glow up your life. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe to Glow Up and Grow Up for more tips on boosting your productivity and finances. What AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep glowing and growing.